Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So www.gigabyte.com, this official website. After that, click on search. When you click to search and then enter the model number of graphic card, GeForce RTX 4070 AERO 12G, and then hit enter. After that, this graphic card search on your website and then click on the product. After that, click on the name of the model of the graphic. Then click on support. So guys, this is your driver. Select first your operating system which is you require, Windows 10 and 11. So there are two operating systems supporting this graphic and both installations are download same NVIDIA driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it is start downloading and it will take 4 to 5 minutes and debate about your internet. It is downloaded. Then click on three dot and then click on download. Three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.